Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Another morning, another ride. Well, I'm not sure after how long I am saying this because I haven't posted much travel videos for all this time, at least a couple of years or so. But yeah, I used to go to short motorcycle trips, but the problem is that my SJ6 Legend, the action camera which I used, broke. It doesn't function properly. So I got this GoPro Hero 9 quite recently, and yeah, I plan to post more on my motorcycle ride videos. Today I'm going to Diveagar beach. It will be a quick trip, okay, and I'm going from Keshavnagar, Pune, where I live in, and I plan to go through the Tamini Pass road, which is quite known for its um, scenic route and corners and many other things we'll see in the ride. So here we start, and this is where I live in. This is Keshavnagar, and to be honest, it's nothing to be proud of because the roads in Keshavnagar are mostly bad. In monsoons, it turns horrible. So yeah, it is what it is. Let's continue our journey. It's quite chilly because it's December. Not as cold as expected, but still it's cold. I'm craving for some hot coffee. I'll go in this restaurant, check if there is any black coffee available, because I'm not much into milk. So let me see. Let me ask the lady. Oh, black coffee मिलता है क्या?
Black coffee?
Huh?
Nine.
Well, no luck here. Let me continue my journey, and I'll see in any other restaurants if black coffee or black tea is available. Anyways, very beautiful roads. The road condition is surprisingly nice this time, and it's enjoyable. Really lovely roads here. It's almost like a track, you know. The corners are really great. Found this place. It's quite peaceful here, so thought of giving a stop. Not much crowd around, not much traffic. All I can hear are the waves sound. It's good. I'm really enjoying the corners around here. Flowing corners, not much technical. So finally here we are, Diveagar beach. Getting this sight after quite a long time, after many years. The entrance to the beach, it looks really great. Well, I have to say this is a first because I haven't ridden any motorcycle on a beach before. So this is feeling quite can't say, but it's really fun. It's a unique experience I'm having, and yeah, I'll not do anything crazy like speed up or something. I'll just ride for a bit and turn back, and then head towards home. It's not much to do here because of the heat, not much crowd. But yeah, it's kind of pleasurable. have all the beach to myself. Not much crowd. Thing is, it's December, but the heat is there, and I believe this is not the main part of the beach where the tourists visit. This is mostly isolated, and it's a good thing. And yeah, enjoyed. Couldn't stay much longer here because I'm all by myself, and there is nowhere to park this motorcycle. Cannot park it in the sand. So yeah, I've enjoyed taking some photos and videos, and now it's time to head back home. So I'm heading back home now by the same route. This has been a scenic motorcycle ride, quick one, but I've enjoyed, and it took about 4.5 hours one way, so about 8-9 hours total. So bye, see you on my next, and then ciao.